Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Old World Charm in Paradise. We have here a rare opportunity to acquire your own piece of the rock. Located just off the North Coast Highway in a secure gated community adjacent to the Rio Hotel, Ocho Rios, and just steps away from the beautiful Caribbean Sea. This charming 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom rustic villa has been successfully operating short-term rentals, generating a steady income stream for approximately 10 years. Located in the picturesque MAMMEE Bay St. Anne, the villa amenities includes 4 spacious bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, staff accommodation, solar power sustainable living, only 3 villas away from the beach, nestled in a lush tropical setting, perfect blend of natural beauty and rustic elegance, ideal for investors, entrepreneurs, or those seeking a vacation home. Close by attractions include Mystic Mountain, Conoco Falls, Rio Nuevo Battle Site, Dolphin Cove, Turtle Beach, Blue Hole River tubing, Dunn's River, and White River rafting. Make contact today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican $134 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.